So I got a cup full of fish feeder, okay? Let's do this.
Real lizard.
What they're looking at.
Lizard. See?
Usually China, usually they run off already.
Nó có con chào á. Có con nữa, con chào á.
So far, the only fish I see are small fish. Hopefully, when I get more back that way, I'll see bigger fish. There they are looking right there, the fish. Gwen, where are the big fish? Gwen, where are the big fish at? Where's the big fish? You see the big fish? Not yet? Okay. I get into action here. I'm gonna jump on my phone. Just want to go to the other part. We got to the trout one. Let's see if I can find any trout here. Is it fun, Gwen? You like it? So we did this. We got these here to feed the fish. I'm gonna give it back to Gwen. Here you go, Gwen. Do the honor, Gwen.
It's okay, then you can get more, okay? Okay, Mom, you know how to do it?
What does that?
Yeah, your mommy's going over there.
Yeah. Looking at this. Fish.
They like it?
Yeah, they love it.
Go, go, go.
Do it. Keep feeding. Boa, keep feeding. More, feed more. More, keep feeding. Keep feeding. Keep feeding. Keep feeding.
These fish are so good.
So they got bigger fish over here, the rainbow trouts, on this side of the hatchery. It's nice here. Spin around so everybody can see it. Seeing. Here we go. Here it comes, here it comes. Come on, let's go. Chà, no, he's eating it. It's a good experience to come see this. This is only my second time to a hatchery, so it's quite a treat if you guys are into this kind of thing. Here's Athena back at it. She can't get bored of this, huh? He's a lot bigger. Make sure you block him. Throw more, Xiang. Let it help you.
No. Let's do one at a time. It will last forever. One is the opposite.
What?
So,
Who has opposite?
yeah.
Who has no patience, huh?
That's the last week. Yeah, that's it. No more. See?
Oh, what do you think about this place? You have fun? Alright. That's what she said. It's alright.